Before buying 6.5-inch car speakers, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many options look similar and promise great sound, but real buyers often complain about hidden flaws or performance issues. Let's uncover the truth and find the best speakers for your ride. Product number 1, Pioneer G-Series TS-G1620F. First up, we have the Pioneer G-Series TS-G1620F 6.5 speakers priced at $41.29. Right from the start, the solid build and design caught my attention. With a rating of 4.5 stars from over 1,300 reviews, this is a popular choice. If you want a balanced sound and smooth treble, this is worth a serious look. It features a two-way design that separates high and low frequencies, giving you clear sound across the board. With a peak power handling of 300 watts and a continuous handling of 40 watts, you won't miss out on those deep bass notes or crisp highs. The frequency response ranges from 37 Hz to 24 kHz, meaning you'll enjoy everything from thumping bass to soaring vocals without distortion. Plus, with a sensitivity rating of 87 dB, it produces loud and clear sound even at lower power inputs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're upgrading from factory speakers, you'll really appreciate the clarity and richness in your music. Now, some users have mentioned that installation can be a bit tricky if you're not handy. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to put in a little effort, the sound quality you gain is absolutely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward upgrade without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra high-end or if you're not comfortable with DIY installations. Now, if installation difficulty is a concern for you, the next option might actually make things easier. Product number 2, Boss Audio CH6530B. Next, let's check out the Boss Audio System CH6530B, which is priced at just $29.99. The first thing I noticed is how lightweight they are, making them easy to handle. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from around 1,200 reviews, these speakers are a popular choice. These coaxial speakers feature a maximum power handling of 300 watts and a frequency response from 100 Hz to 15 kHz. What's cool here is the combination of a poly injection cone and rubber surround, which provides a good balance and durability. With a sensitivity of 90 dB, you'll get clear sound even on lower settings. Here's why this matters for you. If you want solid performance for everyday listening without spending a fortune, these speakers fit the bill. However, some users pointed out that the sound quality doesn't quite match up to higher-end models. But look, if you're just looking to upgrade from stock speakers for a daily driver, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and want better sound quality without the fuss. Skip this one if you're an audiophile seeking top-tier sound quality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious sound enthusiasts. Product number 3, DS18 Pro GM6B. Now, let's talk about the DS18 Pro GM6B loudspeaker, priced at $34.95. Immediately, the striking red aluminum bullet design grabs your attention. This speaker has a 4.6-star rating from about 1,300 reviews. If you want something that looks as good as it sounds, this is definitely worth a look. What sets this speaker apart is its mid-range performance. With a maximum power handling of 480 watts and an RMS of 140 watts at 8 ohms, it's designed to handle everything from instrumentals to rich vocals with ease. The high-quality voice coil can withstand extreme heat, ensuring durability and longevity. This is crucial because you want a speaker that won't give out on you after a few months. Here's why this matters. If you often listen to music with heavy vocals or complex instrumentals, this speaker can bring out the details that you might miss with stock speakers. Some users have mentioned they experienced a lack of deep bass. Here's the thing though, if you primarily listen to vocal-heavy genres or acoustic music, the clarity more than makes up for it. This is perfect for you if you're looking to enhance your audio experience in your car without going overboard on price. Skip this one if you need a lot of bass, as it might not fully satisfy those needs. Now, if you're after something that keeps the bass alive, the next product should definitely catch your interest. Product number 4, Boss Audio CH6530 Chaos. Next up is the Boss Audio Systems CH6530 Chaos series, retailing at $28.99. The first thing that struck me was the sheer number of reviews, over 17,400 with a 4.3-star rating. If you're looking for an affordable option that many have already tested, this might be the one. These speakers come with a maximum power handling of 300 watts and a frequency response from 100 Hz to 18K Hz, providing a nice balance of sound for most music. They feature a poly injection cone and a rubber surround, which enhances durability and sound clarity. The sensitivity rating of 90 dB means you can expect decent sound even at lower power inputs, making it a good daily driver. Here's why this matters. If you want something that performs well without costing too much, you'll appreciate these. However, some users found that the sound quality can be somewhat lacking in the low-end frequencies. Now, I'll be real with you, if you're a bass lover, this might not deliver the punch you're after. But if you're using it for general listening, it should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you want an economical upgrade for your car's audio system. Skip this if you're seeking heavy bass or audiophile-grade sound. Now, if you're seeking something with a bit more punch, the next product might just fit the bill perfectly. Product number 5. Kenwood KFC 1666R. Finally, we have the Kenwood KFC 1666R Road Series, priced at $49.99. The design looks sleek and it's packed with features that caught my eye. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,200 reviews, it's clear this speaker is well regarded. If you're after a powerful sound upgrade, this is worth considering. They utilize cloth woofer cones and balanced dome tweeters, ensuring high-quality sound reproduction that feels authentic. The 4-ohm impedance allows for even power distribution, meaning you'll have a consistent sound experience, whether you're cranking up the volume or keeping it low. Here's why this matters. If you want a speaker that can handle a variety of music genres and still sound rich and full, this is a fantastic choice. Some users have reported issues with installation due to their size. However, look, if you can manage the fitting, you'll be rewarded with great sound quality that brings your music to life. This is perfect for you if you value sound quality and are ready to invest a bit more for an upgrade. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra simple to install. In summary, we've seen a variety of options today. The Pioneer offers solid value and sound clarity, while the Boss models provide budget-friendly alternatives. The DS18 shines in vocal performance, and the Kenwood offers a more powerful sound experience. Choose based on what fits your musical needs best. Product number 6, Best Pick. To wrap it up, we've covered the Pioneer G-Series for balanced sound, Boss Audio's budget-friendly options, the DS18 for mid-range clarity, the Boss Chaos for affordability, and the Kenwood for those who want a powerful upgrade. Each has its own strengths, so think about what you need most in your car audio experience and choose accordingly.